Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and if you press that bell, what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video, and if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I want to make sure that you guys know about it as well, because I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive. So this way, by subscribing and hitting that bell, you won't miss out on any of those videos. Okay, today is a day that I was on the Amazon website looking for the Catrice Iman palettes that I saw in the Trend Mood box. I was trying to find where I can get it that I can just buy the palette. If I went to Catrice online, there was a higher free shipping, and I tried looking on eBay. I tried looking for it everywhere. I really felt like I missed out on that Trend Mood box. But the one item that really stood out to me that I really wanted was that makeup palette. It ended up being, I'm pretty sure that video is up before this one. The shades were far darker. The packages came in damaged. It ended up being one thing after another in reference to that. At the end of the day, I don't think I missed out, because I don't think that palette was, from what I saw through the pictures, it was far deeper, the tones in person, and I couldn't find anybody on YouTube to have swatched it, so I ended up trying to find it so that I can bring it and swatch it and then share it with you guys. So I found it. If it's something, if you're a deeper skin tone to me, it is beautiful. It's swatched beautifully. It's just the tones were just too deep for me. Any videos that you want to see that I have done prior to, if you just look underneath this video, you'll see my name, True Wants, with my subscription number. If you click on that, the bold letter True Wants, it will bring you to a different area, which will show you every video that I ever did. So it goes from the most earliest, and you can search in there, you can do everything. So this way you'll be able to find, if there's other videos that you wanted to see of mine, that's where you can go and look for it. But while I was on there, I ended up seeing a new product, at least it was new to me, from Maybelline. I'm wearing it on my lips now, and it totally blew me away. It is one that's called Lifter, and it is looks like this. The packaging is beyond stunning. I haven't been into a drugstore or a retail store, so I don't know if these are available yet there, but on Amazon, these are only $6.99. The packaging on this, to me, is beyond high-end. You would never think that this was a drugstore product. Look at this. To me, you could have put, you know, a higher-end name on this, and this type of packaging would have been like, wow. On Maybelline, it's just blow away. So really fantastic. So the packaging alone is a 10. The product inside is another 10. It just totally blew me away. So it's called the Lifter Gloss. It has hyaluronic acid, which is supposed to help. When hyaluronic acid is in any product, it sounds like, you know, hyaluronic and acid. It just is scary, but it's not. What it does is it helps plump up your lines on your face, things like that. So if they're putting that into this type of product, maybe it's to help plump a little bit, but there's no burning, no stinging, anything like that. It's a completely opaque, true to color, smooth, no stinging, no nothing, just a fantastic product. So I got it in two shades. I got it in one called Amber, because I love the peachy, nudie type of colors, and that is in 007 Amber, and I'm going to swatch it for you. And then I got another one in the color Moon, M-O-O-N, and that is number 003. And that's what that one looks like here. So I'm going to try to put them here so you guys will see the differences. Whoops, maybe it's easier without the UPC. There you go. So this one is Amber and this one is Moon. And then when Moon came in, the color looked so similar to me that I said, you know what? This might be a fantastic dupe for my Fenty. This is her Glass Bomb, the universal one. I love, love, love this product, but this is a $19 product, and this one is $6.99. I did print out some information on both of them, so I'm going to read that to you and go through that, and then we're going to do some swatches, and then we'll see if this is a dupe for this, because I haven't done it yet. I just pulled it out of my makeup area and brought it out here so that we can do it together and see what we have. But when I looked at it through the through here, it looks like it might be a tad lighter, but it looks like it has that same tone. So I might go back on Amazon and see if there's one other one that I can check. It's so much harder online than being able to go into the drugstore, but I think we did pretty good. So I'm going to double check that here. But like I said, I put this one on today, on the amber one, and then the second package came with the moon, and I said, you know what, I'm just going to sit down and do a video about all of this now, because I was just going to share with you guys about this one. And then when this arrived and the Fenty, I said, you know what, I think I'll do where I can share a new product, at least to me. I don't know if this is new, but I've never seen these before, and then we'll double check if it could be a possible dupe for the Fenty. So this Maybelline product, like I said, it's called Lifter. And it is a lip gloss makeup with hyaluronic acid. It's a hydrating, high shine, hydrating lips, fuller looking lips. And the color that I think is the dupe for Fenty is in Moon. And then Amber is the one that I'm in love with. So this one says it's their next level lip gloss. It's a lifter gloss. It's a lip gloss that will deliver hydration, shine, and fuller looking lips. Formula with hyaluronic acid. Their lifter gloss is a moisturizing lip gloss formula. Visible, smooths the lip surface and enhances lip contour, high shine for fuller looking lips, and lasting hydration. It's saying it's 90% agrees the lips, 90% of the people felt the lips feel hydrated after applying this gloss. And the Lifter gloss comes with an XL lip gloss wand, which I'll show you, to enhance the lip color with the shine and transfer lips in one swipe, and that's very true. Maybelline New York Lifter Gloss Hydrating Lip Gloss has hyaluronic acid, and it has 10, it says modern shades, and they go from sheer to cream, like pearl, ice, amber, topaz, crystal, and more. And literally they had one that was like ice, which was like really like, just if you have it almost looked like ice. It had like a creamy, almost sheer type with a bit of glitter in it, but they really went from very light to very dark. So this was really the mid-range for me, and this is my comfort zone. On the Fenty, it's only available at Sephora, and this is the Glass Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer. It's $19, and this is 0.18 fluid ounces, and the Fenty one is 0.3. And it says what's great about the Fenty, it's the ultimate gotta have it lip gloss with an explosive shine that feels as good as it looks. It's highlighting ingredients, it says, is shea butter, and it's free of parabens. The product is also cruelty free, but they're saying this universal lip luminizer delivers explosive shine in 6 shades that flatter all skin tones. With one swipe of Gloss Bomb's XXL wand, it leaves the lips looking instantly fuller and smoother. The non-sticky formula is super shining and has an addictive peach vanilla scent. You just can't get enough of it. So I will definitely smell this. I didn't smell that one, but this is fantastic. And this truly is a universal shade. So let me show you first the amber one. Let me see here. I'm gonna take the one that I've been playing with, which is here. And that's what it looks like here. And then this is how fantastic that wand is. And like they said, it literally, it goes in, comes out, and whatever's on here will do your entire lip. I mean, it is unbelievable. It is so opaque and beautiful and creamy, but not sticky. It really is perfection. And for $6.99 and this type of bottle, I think Maybelline hit it out of the park. All right, now the next one is in Moon, and that's this one. And this is the one that I thought would be close to the Fenty one. So I'm gonna put it here. And you see that one is more of a lip gloss. And like I said, it goes literally from sheer, fuller. It really blew me away. I'm definitely going to look to see some other colors because this really, really intrigued me. So that's what the color Moon is from Maybelline. And now we're going to take the Fenty one that is the exclusive to, and it looks like, you know what, let me see something. The wand, even though it is in a larger, it looks like it's very similar. Those are the two wands. They look like the exact same wand. That's what that looks like here. So first, positive. Okay, and now let's take, I think we have a dupe. Yeah, I think we have a dupe. This is beyond exciting, okay? This one here is the Fenty, and that one on top is the Maybelline. Really, really close. Definitely, if not twins, definitely sisters. Really, really pretty. Wow. Oh, I'm so excited. And like I said, $19 and $6.99. And available right now on Amazon. But every time I say that, and then when you guys go on, sometimes they're on back order, sometimes they're sold out. But I really was purchasing this for myself because I was so shocked that when I was looking for the Catrice, something that I didn't see before showed up in my area. You know, with Amazon, they always say, you know, these products might be of interest to you. If you bought this, you should buy this. And they're right on the money. These are winners. So I think it is close enough. There is a little bit of a difference, but not enough to not say that for $6.99, if you don't want to, you know, get from Sephora or go to Sephora, which none of us can do right now, and $19 is not what you want to pay for a lip gloss, then these are definitely ones that I think will be very similar. So wanted to share that with you guys. Once again, if you're enjoying my content, I really hope you will leave me a thumbs up, because if you do that for me, it's right underneath the video. YouTube will then in turn put my videos in front of other people that have not met me yet, but they like this type of content. So thank you for doing that. Please leave me comments down below if this is something that you've seen before, or if this is something brand new. If you've tried it, or now if you're gonna try it, I would just love to know. And once again, thank you so much. I appreciate so much that you guys take some time out of your day to spend it with me here. But more importantly, I want everyone to continue to stay safe and stay well. And I will see you all in my next video. Take care for now. Bye.